going out camping and don't even have enough pure water to drink, wash your hands or even shower? We discovered a perfect solution in the form of a solar-powered water purifier which kills 99% of germs, and a honeycomb keyboard that claims to reduce typos by up to 80%. Welcome to Chili Tech. In today's video, we review some amazing products, plus another cool piece of retro tech at the end. So stick around until then, give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Let's go! GoSun's innovative solar-powered ovens have long been one of Wired's favourite outdoor cooking devices. But in a year racked by political turmoil, a global plague and seemingly endless natural disasters, being prepared to live off-grid seems more appealing than ever before. This year, GoSun is launching the Flow, a backpack-sized solar-powered water purifier that comes with hoses for drinking, bathing and outdoor cooking. The Flow joins GoSun's expanded lineup of solar-powered lights, ovens, coolers and even a tiny solar-powered coffee brewer. For less than $2,000 you can put together a complete off-grid living setup in your truck, drinking fresh milk and taking a hot shower every night. And it works whether you are stargazing with the kids or taking off for the hills. In July of 2020, the Swiss keyboard startup Typewise raised about $1 million for a 100% private next word prediction engine that would boost productivity by eliminating typos and providing personalised, tailored, auto-correcting solutions. That tech is still being developed, but right now they have an app with a distinctive honeycomb keyboard that they claim is two-thumb friendly and reduces typos by up to 80%. This will be an interesting space to watch as small companies raise their slingshots against giants like Apple and Google. But this small, helpful app already has more than 500,000 downloads, which makes it much more real and useful than most of the weird, wacky vaporware that we're used to seeing. If it can stop constantly replacing all of the you-know-what with ducking in my texts, that alone would increase my productivity by at least 50%. We all like to work out while listening to podcasts and music, but those who spend a ton of time on bikes, runs, or in other shared outdoor spaces know the importance of being able to hear what's going on around you. That's where JLab's new JBuds frames come in. The $50 accessory essentially consists of small detachable speakers that can wrap around any pair of glasses. They are much cheaper than headphones in glasses combos we've seen before, and they can easily attach to any prescription glasses and shades. Samsung's entire TV line will be getting big upgrades in 2021. First and foremost is the company's use of mini LED technology in what is called Neo QLED. The tech essentially brings tens of thousands of tiny LEDs into the backlighting system of its top-end TVs, something we've already seen from TCL in 2020's 6 series. This means better blacks and improved contrast. Samsung has also announced a brand new settings menu for new consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, which will make tweaking picture settings a breeze. On the ultra high end, Samsung also showcased a brand new 110-inch model that uses a next generation form of mini LED technology, in which each LED pixel acts as its own backlight, similar to the OLED technology we've previously seen in LG, but without the hindrances of burn-in, and with the potential for even brighter highlights. We can expect this to be Samsung's big tech in mainstream TVs in a few years' time. The company also introduced a cool new solar panelled remote, so you'll never have to search for AAA batteries again. At a press event, Bosch highlighted a stat worth thinking about. The typical car had 10 million lines of code black in 2010. Today it has 100 million lines of code. By comparison, the entire kernel for the Linux operating system had 27.8 million lines as of 2020. According to Bosch, a major part supplier to the automotive industry, it's heading toward 500 million lines of code as autonomous and semi-autonomous driving technologies move from concept drawing room to production. An average car is now a lot more complex than the operating system in your laptop. Now for some cool retro tech. the Victrola record player. Though the phonograph was invented in 1877, it was the Victor Talking Machine Company's Victrola that made audio players a staple in most people's homes. The device's amplifying horn was hidden inside a wooden cabinet, giving it a sleek look of a sophisticated piece of furniture. Records by classical musicians and opera singers were popular purchases for the device. They made around 7 million Victrolas, and through an estimate only about 6 to 8% survived. The Victor Talking Machine Company was bought by RCA, which would go on to become a radio and television giant. Check out the featured product links in the description below. If you guys want to know more about these products or want us to make a video on any specific products, let us know in the comments section. We will be happy to oblige. But for now, don't forget to give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Adios amigos!